Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your eBay store policies to improve buyer trust. Full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Navigate to the Account tab in the top menu. Select Site Preferences from the drop-down options. Scroll down to the Selling Preferences section. Find the Store Policies subsection. Click on Edit next to Store Policies. Review your current policies. Ensure they align with eBay's guidelines. Consider updating your shipping policy. Make it clear how you handle shipping times and costs. Specify your handling time for processing orders. Outline your return policy clearly. Include details on return shipping responsibilities. Highlight your customer service response time. Provide a dedicated contact method for inquiries. Address any warranty or guarantee information. Focus on clarity and transparency in your policies. Use simple language and avoid jargon. Add specific information about international shipping if applicable. Make updates to your payment policy as needed. Ensure you mention accepted payment methods. Review your policies for any inconsistencies. Make necessary adjustments to enhance buyer trust. Once you're satisfied, click Save. Take a moment to review your entire eBay store. Check that the new policies are reflected clearly. Consider reaching out to regular buyers for feedback. Encourage them to share their experiences with your updated policies. Monitor buyer interactions to assess any changes in trust. Continuously update your policies as necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.